How to change Xerox 5955 heater gear. Let's start. In 5955, the heater is on the left side. So open the left side door and loose these two screws on both sides of the heater unit. Pull out the heater unit and you can see the heater unit drive gear. As you can see, the gear is expired and in a really bad shape, so we have to change it. First, open this lock on the front of it, and you have to use a lock opener for this. Pull out the gear and you can see the gear is in so much bad shape. This is the gear we pull out, and you can use this lock opener to pull the lock. So this is the new gear we are installing. Just you have to put on the shaft and press it. And there you go, you're finished. Just put the lock back with the lock opener, just like this, and insert the unit back and tight the screws on both sides. That's it. You're finished. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.